Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing this Mode65. I've been looking forward to this board since I joined the group back in late June. Let's take a look at the product page. So this board has a lot of customizable options. This board was originally a limited time group buy, like your standard group buy where you have a certain amount of time you can join. It has since been extended indefinitely, so for the foreseeable future you will be able to join this group buy and purchase one of these boards. It took just around 6 months to come in, which is totally acceptable in my book, considering that I am still waiting on boards I ordered 6-7 months before this one. So let's take a look here. For tops, you've got 7 different options. The majority of these are anodized aluminum. The white is an E-white, and the polycarbonate is obviously a polycarbonate plastic. For bottoms, you have 10 different options. The same colors as before that were anodized aluminum are anodized aluminum. You have an E-white, you have your polycarbonate, which is plastic, and the bronze, copper, and silver mirror, which I believe are in fact brass. For the brass for the silvered mirror, and the copper is copper. So for back pieces, you've got 12 options for back pieces. The matching colors above, pretty much the same techniques. The white is an E-white. All the different colors here are an anodized aluminum. I believe everything is brass except for the copper, and the titanium is actually titanium. For a plate, you've got 3 different options for layouts. You have an ANSI, you have an ANSI half plate, and you have an ISO. Each of these have a different selection of plate materials, or what they can call a variant, that are available. I believe I went with carbon fiber because excuse me, when I ordered this, I have not used a carbon fiber plate, so I was kind of looking forward to seeing what one was like. You've got an option for plate foam. It's a $10 charge. For your PCBs, you've got you have a solderable, you have a hot swap, and an ISO hot swap. As far as layouts, it supports a split backspace, and these are on the solderable ones. Obviously, you've got a split backspace, you've got your ISO layout that you can use on the soldered, you've got a stepped caps lock, and your split left shift for ISO. It also supports a 7U space bar. I am not certain if the hot swaps support a stepped caps lock. Maybe. You know, it doesn't really give you a clear definition here of whether or not it does. For a silicone base, it's an additional $20 if you want one. You've got 3 color options. Plate caps, which are going to be a silicone piece that'll go on the tab of the plate, between the plate and the top case of the board. They are provided with no cost. You've got 3 different color options. Feet are also no cost, and you have the same matching 3 color options. So without any further ado, let's get to the fun part and see what we got in this box. Oh, I'm excited. Can't believe I waited so long to unbox this thing. I have been dealing with some stuff for the past week and a half. So we've got a case here. We'll look at that in a second. Let's get that out of the way. Packing material. A box within a box. Okay, so let's take a look at this case real quick since it is right here. I believe I had to order this separately, if I remember correctly. I can't remember. I don't believe it is included. I believe it was a separate purchase that I made. So, pretty much your standard case that you see with, you know, a lot of different companies. It's got kind of a felt lining here, this little honeycomb top, and a pocket. So let's get into it. Okay, all right. I thought it was a plain box, and you pop it open, and it looks nice. Very nice, actually. So you've got your components box, you've got your top case box, and your bottom case box. So let's set this over. I do like the way they did that. It kind of made it look like, this is just a plain boring box, and then you pop into it, and it's actually quite nice. So for the top case, so I did go blue-gray. Comes plastic coated, which I won't take this plastic coating off until I build this board. I believe I'm going to be building it tonight. So if you want to check it out, hit me up on stream. If you see this video when it uploads. Tonight is Wednesday the 22nd of December 2021. It'll be one of the last build streams of the year. So there's the top case. Let's see what we got in here for components. Okay, so you've got your little daughter board, these little plastic, or excuse me, silicone shims here. You've got gaskets. I believe these are the plate caps. You have some bits that appear to be a Phillips head and a couple of different size Allen keys. That's nice because those bits look like they are the correct size to fit my WoW stick. So that's good. Oh, you also get a Mode. See if I can get that. So you can see the branding here on it. It is, yeah, so it is branded with their logo on it. Mode, little screwdriver for your bits, which I'll probably use that just for the sake of it, to tighten them down completely and use the WoW stick to drive them in. So this is the back piece here, which is going to be the titanium radiant color. Like I said, I love radiant stuff. Doesn't have quite the same shimmer, I guess. It looked more in the product page. It looked like it was going to be more of a shiny piece, but you know, that's okay. It's a little dull. I expected it to kind of have like that clear coating that makes it look, you know, shiny, but that's fine. We could always order a different back piece if I end up not liking it in the future. Here is my plate, which I believe, like I said, I believe I ordered carbon fiber. Let's see. Yes, is the carbon fiber plate, which carbon fiber plate was an additional $20 to the cost. So we'll see how that works out. We've got the plate foam, so I did order plate foam. What we got here? Here's the PCB. Okay. PCB. About 99.9% sure I ordered a soldered PCB. Yes, I did in fact order a soldered PCB. So your PCB's got some flex cuts in it, and it's got a nice little bit different shape than I'm used to, but you know, I like it. I guess that's a little odd, so that, you know, odd shape there for where your gaskets and everything will go. I haven't really looked at a big build guide yet or watched a build stream all the way through. I started one a while back, but I did not finish it. I had to run. I believe it was maybe Alex that was streaming that I was watching. Alex Odos. He is a great streamer and a great YouTuber. If you haven't checked him out, check him out. Here is the bottom case that has a nice heft to it. Okay, so this is silver mirrored, and it looks like it is scratched to crap. I was gonna say scratched to the S word, but I'll try to keep the profanity down on the YouTube videos. Hopefully that is just on this plastic. Let's see. Don't want to peel the plastic off because I definitely want to take a picture first to send to Mode before I pull the plastic off. I'm definitely gonna have to get a replacement because it cost an extra $45 for the silver mirrored finish, and this is extremely unacceptable. When I peel the plastic off after I take photos, I will let you guys know if it was just the plastic or it was the board. I've never seen plastic scratching, so I imagine it is the bottom plate. That is very, very, very saddening. Hopefully this is not going to stop me from doing the build tonight. But hey, what can you do? Such is life. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for the Mode 65. I know this went a little longer than my usual unboxing videos, but there was a lot to go over in the product page. I appreciate you being here. I hope you guys have a fantastic end to your 2021 and an even better 2022. Thank you so much for checking this video out, and I hope to see you for the next one. Have a great day.